Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the legal landscape. You must not use tools to break laws. Next, choose a reputable VPN provider that publishes audits, uses AES 256 encryption, and offers a kill switch. Once chosen, sign up with a verified payment method and register an account. Make sure your email is valid so you can recover access. Install the official client for your device. Pick the version that matches your OS. This groundwork protects your privacy and prepares you to connect safely. Now you configure the client. Enable the kill switch and auto start so your traffic never leaks. Select a modern protocol, WireGuard or OpenVPN, because they balance speed and security. Make sure to test each to see which performs best for you. Then choose a server region based on latency and legal jurisdiction. Lower latency gives better experience, but jurisdiction affects data protection. Once done, connect and verify your public IP and DNS have changed, confirming that your traffic is routed through the VPN. Finally, verify the connection. Check for IP and DNS leaks and confirm secure websites show encrypted sessions. If you still can't access a site, try switching protocol, selecting another server, or using a different port. Some networks block VPN traffic selectively, so these changes can help. Make sure your VPN client and device are updated, and review provider support resources. If anything goes wrong, contact the VPN support. And remember, always use these tools lawfully and responsibly to protect privacy, not to evade legal restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.